Good morning from the lodge. Today Chico and I are gonna show you a video. A few weeks ago we had to cut our way into the cabin. So sit back and enjoy. Well, good morning everybody. Welcome back to the lodge. It's a windy one out there today. The temperature's plummeted and it's cold and blowing. We had 1.5 inches of rain yesterday. There's the rain gauge, you can see. And now it's just, that's blown out of here and the wind's howling. So another day inside. I wanted to show you a couple weeks ago we had a really bad windstorm. I had to cut my way in here. So here's some video clips of that, and hopefully you enjoy them. I hope the weather's good where you're at. We're getting geared up here for the rifle season. I'm trying to get healed up so I can hunt. So hopefully we can bring you some video of that. Everybody enjoy. Take care and God bless. I have to cut my way into camp. So what I run into this morning. Great. I'm gonna sit that there and see what happens. Bullshit, Chico. I don't ever need to solve things. Alright, Chico, I think we're finally gonna be able to get up to camp. Here we go. Would you get off of me?
And you won't say the words that I want, but you flirt when you're there. I've seen a bubble pop up like a text and they disappear. Let's cut to the quick and let's get to what we're doing here. Are we just a backseat? Trying to get it while we can. Are we names in a taxi? Or just a number on a hand? Are we last call kissing? Reminiscing when it goes on the next 40 years? Are we written in the stars, baby? Or are we written in the stars? Yeah, I want you to take you back home to my mom.
Well, everything looks okay.
Call me yours and forget all this drama. Your makeup is next to my toothbrush, but you never put it away on the shelf. I'm asking you, baby, 'cause I'm tired of asking.